Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. To become fluent in English is the ultimate goal of every English learner. So let's talk about 4 habits that will make you fluent. Making English your habit is really important. So these are ready-made habits that will help you to become fluent. And why habits are necessary? When you form something as a habit, it is really easy for you to do the thing again and again. As you know, English is not a small journey. It's a long process. Something that you cannot achieve in a week. So there is a dire need to give time and effort. So if you assure me that you will stuck to these habits, then I assure you, you become fluent within months. Point number 1, read every day in the morning. Why in the morning? Because you are free. There is no phone around you and you have ample time to think. When you read, you are actually in a virtual world. You have time to think. And one important thing, do not just go and try to read or write the meaning of the words. There is no need to do that. Just read the stuff. Read the stuff in English. That will help you, and more importantly, it has a positive impact all the day. And you have no need to read ample pages, 20 pages, 15 pages. No. All you need to do, just sit and read for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. And it will give you brilliant result. Point number 2, listening to a podcast. Podcast normally lasts from 7 to 15 minutes. So if you have ample time, so you can sit and just listen to the podcast. And remember, listen in English. When you listen a native speaker, then you understand the process of fluency, the process of speaking, the process of understanding. All we know that speaking, we all want to become fluent in speaking, but we must pay attention to listening, pay attention to reading, pay attention to understanding. So listening to podcasts is really helpful, and you have no need to listen the podcast of some grammar expert. You can listen a podcast of any person, of anything that will interest you. Maybe cooking, maybe motivation, anything. Just listen the podcast. It really has great impact in the learning journey of your English. Point number 3, write a journal every day. Whatever you do, whatever you are doing, whether you are working, whether you are at home, when you spend whole day, sit and try to write the whole activities of your day. Then you understand how much vocabulary do you need to improve yourself. Because speaking is a spontaneous thing and writing is a deliberate thing. You have to think when you write something, and you have no need to write the stuff on complicated things. All the thing which is you really interested in, you may start from writing. Write from 5 to 10 minutes. It is really helpful in speaking English. Really, try it out for a week, and then please tell me in the comment section whether you found it interesting, helpful or not. Point number 4, this is my favorite. Speak about a topic for 5 minutes. As we all know, we've spent more time with us. You have no need of anyone to speak. So just go in front of the mirror and speak to yourself. And then you listen to yourself, how you are speaking. And then you saw yourself in the mirror and find your expression. This is really helpful technique. And one more thing. Listen to the native speakers and try to speak like them. If you do not speak, you never ever achieve fluency. Because speaking is the most important thing in order to become fluent. And one more thing, stick to these 4 habits in a balanced way. If you just write, if you just listen, if you just speak, nothing will happen. You have to pay attention to these 4 habits equally. Then your journey of English becomes easy for you. So that's all for today. So nice of you. Thank you.